my dear brother and sister, Namaskar, feel that. How are you guys doing? I hope you're having a wonderful time learning Hindi and having a joyful experience while learning Hindi with Anil Mathur and Langistan.com. By the way, this dialogue is from my website, not for YouTube, but anyways, I think you're enjoying it. So, my dear brother and sister, I have got few news for you and then I have got a Hindi lesson for you. Are you excited to unfold all of them? You must be. But before that, let me have a chuski of chai. Chuski of chai, you know, chuski, sip. So, news number 1. You already saw my previous video on 2nd February, 4 p.m. Indian Standard Time. We are getting live, we're having a webinar, and if you want to participate, please leave your email ID in the form given in the description box below so I can send you the link to join the hangout with me. And second news, and it's really exciting, my brother Hardik Rathore, who has been supporting Langistan and Anil Mathur for many years, from last 5-6 years, he has been supporting, and this channel would not stand without him. My Hindi learning course, Langistan.com, would not stand without him. He has been a great support to me in my life, so please support his project. He's making a 2D animated movie in the life of Guhil, the legend of Guhil, the founding father of House of Mewar, the present Udaipur in Rajasthan. You probably have heard a lot about this city. Link to see this project is below in the description box. Please go and support. Watch also the movie clip. Maybe you'll find some of my voice somewhere. ये चाय बहुत अच्छी है. And third news, I'm on Instagram. My Instagram is the Anil Mathur, and also another official one for the Hindi. I will be using more of that, Langistan. So please follow both of them and use lots of hashtag connecting me. So the fourth one is the actual lesson now. So this lesson comes to you directly from our website, Langistan.com, and I'm going to talk about 6 time words that has been confusing you for a very long time. I'm going to crush them all. So please continue watching. Hello, namaskar, feel the hat. How are you guys doing? I hope you're having a wonderful time, and Langistan and Anil Mathur are serving you well to learn Hindi. So please watch this clip.
मेरी एक छोटी सी प्यारी सी बेटी है, उसका नाम जीवांता है और घर में हम उसे प्यार से ज़ारा बुलाते हैं. वो अभी 1.5 साल की है, उसने अभी चलना शुरू किया है.
So Bhabhi ji said अभी वो 1.5 साल की है. So what is this word अभी? We'll discuss about that. But in this video I want to include some other aspects as well, because a lot of students confuse between the word ab, abhi, abhi se, abhi, kab, kabhi, kabhi. There are so many time related words which confuse students a lot. So let me cross them out. I'll cross all of them. So the first word is ab. Ab literally translate as now. Ab, now. Okay, ab, now. Abhi, right now. Abhi, right now. Abhi, right now. Bhi. Okay, it's a aspirated version. Abhi, not be, abhi. Abhi, just now. Okay, abhi, just now, just recently, very recently. Abhi, just like very right now, you know. Abhi मैंने चाय पिया. Abhi मैंने चाय पिया. I had a tea just now, just a while ago, you know, just a while ago. Abhi मैंने चाय पिया. Something that is very recent, very currently, you know, just a while ago. Then you say abhi. Okay, just now. Abhi. But you don't say ab. Ab doesn't repeat. It will be weird if you repeat ab. Abhi repeats. So abhi, just now. Now another word often comes kab. Kab means literally when. Kab. Okay, kab. But kab makes kabhi. Kabhi means sometime. Kabhi, sometime. But another thing, kabhi mere dil mein ख्याल आता है.
कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है.
So kabhi is another word. Kabhi, sometimes. Okay, kabhi means sometime. So kabhi means sometime, again sometimes, sometimes. Okay, kabhi mere dil mein. Okay, let's break this down. This is one of my favorite songs and I want to so share with you. Kabhi, sometime, mere dil mein. Dil means heart, mein means in. मेरे दिल में ख्याल मीन्स थॉट आता है, comes, the thought comes. Sometimes in my heart the thought comes कि तुमको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए.
कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए, कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए.
कि means that, तुमको, to you, बनाया गया, has been made, that to you, you have been made, मेरे लिए, for me. So sometimes I have a thought that you have been made for me. कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है.
कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है.
I'm sorry, but you got the meaning, right? Kabhi kabhi. And you will find this a lot in all Bollywood songs, Hindi songs, too much. Okay? So I hope the doubt is clear now. Let's make a couple of sentences. अब मैं वीडियो बंद करता हूँ. अब मैं वीडियो बंद करता हूँ. Now let me stop the video. अब मैं वीडियो बंद करता हूँ. मैं वीडियो बंद करता हूँ. I stop the video, right? मैं वीडियो बंद करता हूँ. अब मैं वीडियो बंद करता हूँ means now I stop the video. Now I close the video. अब मैं वीडियो बंद करता हूँ. अभी 7 बज रहा है. अभी right now. अभी 7 बज रहा है. It's 7 o'clock ringing right now. It's 7 o'clock right now, right? It's ringing, we call often like 2 o'clock, right? अभी 7 बज रहा है. अभी मैंने चाय पी. अभी मैंने चाय पी. अभी मैंने चाय पी. Okay? अभी मैंने चाय पी. दिवाली कब है? दिवाली कब है? When is दिवाली? दिवाली कब है? Sometime please you come my home. कभी आप मेरे घर आइए. आइए. It's a imperative sentence. It's a command sentence. It's a suggestive sentence, but in respectful version. I can be very respectful by using imperative, subjunctive imperative that you have already learned. You know, I can also say, कभी आप मेरे घर आएं. That will be very highly respectable. Let me use that one for you because I love you so much. I respect you so much. कभी आप मेरे घर आएं, right? I can only request to you. I'm not sure you will come or not. That's why I'm using subjunctive. If I was very sure you will come, then I would say आएंगे. कभी आप मेरे घर आएंगे. Sometime you will come my home. Like I'm for sure you will come, that I'm sure about it. कभी आप मेरे घर आएंगे. कभी आप मेरे घर आएंगे. Sometime you will come my home. Right? But if I'm not sure you will come or not, right? But I want to just request you, please come. कभी आप मेरे घर आएं. So आएंगे, just gay part has been trimmed off. कभी आप मेरे घर आएं. Sometime you please come my home. आएं. Very respectful, huh? कभी मेरे घर आएं. कभी आप मेरे घर आएं. Ready? For the next. कभी कभी मैं बहुत खुश हो जाता हूँ, लेकिन कभी कभी लोग भूल जाते हैं. कभी कभी लोग अपने दोस्तों को भूल जाते हैं. कभी कभी लोग अपने दोस्तों को भूल जाते हैं. कभी कभी, sometimes, लोग, people, अपने दोस्तों को, own friends को, to own friends, भूल जाते हैं. भूल जाना means to forget. Actually, literally, if you see, भूलना means forget. भूल जाना is a compound verb. It's compounding. So, and you know the effect of compounding. Effect of compounding is, it gives you, that effect of jana compounding is, it gives you feeling of completion of action. So the process of forgetting is done completely. So कभी कभी लोग अपने दोस्तों को भूल जाते हैं. कभी कभी लोग प्यार में पागल हो जाते हैं, जैसे कि अनिल. कभी कभी लोग प्यार में पागल हो जाते हैं. Sometimes people become mad, crazy in love. कभी कभी. I forgot to tell you one thing. Kab can also repeat, just like abhi abhi, kabhi kabhi, kab can also. So you know these time words. I just want you to make comfortable with these words. Ab, now. Abhi, right now. Abhi abhi, just now. Abhi abhi, batti gayi. My light just shut down right now. अभी अभी बत्ती गई. बत्ती means light. गई. अभी भी बत्ती गई. कब? When. कभी? Sometime. कभी कभी? Sometimes. कभी कभी मेरे दिल में. Hey, you're my friend, right? I'm gonna post this song below this video. Please watch that and tell me how do you find about the song. I love you so much, and I will see you into the next video, and we'll do a lot of practice about this, okay? In the practice session. Namaskar.